Hello. Today I'll be showing everyone how to use the database America History and Life with full text. This is a great database for academic sources about North American culture from prehistory to now. It holds citations and full text articles from 1955 to present day. If you're ever doing research on American history, this is a fantastic option. Let's head over to it now. While we could scroll through all these databases, it would be easier to narrow it down. So let's go find history under the subjects drop-down menu. And let's select our database. By default, we're sent to the database's advanced search page. Let's go over what options we have available for searches. First, we have multiple search bars in case we'd like to use Boolean operators to customize our search. I'll go over those in just a moment. As you can see, there's drop-down menus after each search bar. This offers you options to search by fields like author and subject term. Moving down a bit, we have search modes and expanders. These can deliver more results by searching terms related to keywords you searched. Under that is a section for narrowing down your search by using limiters. You can select options like full text to only show results with the full article text available, or peer-reviewed, which will only give results that have been reviewed by trusted academic authorities. You can select publication date and type to deliver sources of a specific type or from a specific date range. Document type will give you only the types of results you select, like articles and case studies. A limiter unique to this database is historical period. You can put date ranges in to only receive results about a specific period. For instance, if you only want results about the Victorian era, you can put in the years 1837 CE to 1901 CE. Now that we've gone over our options, let's do a search. I want articles about the music genre blues. Let's type that into our search bar. If you put blues into quotation marks, that'll keep sources about anything blue minus the S out of our results. Let's hit search. And that's a good start, but we're still getting some results about things other than the music genre. This is when Boolean operators can be helpful. Let's go back to our advanced search. And in our second search bar, we'll type music. By default, AND is set as our Boolean operator. AND gives you the results that include both the first search term and the second, thus narrowing your search. If you pick OR, you'll get results that are either about the first or the second term, which expands your search. Not keeps one term out of your search, so it could be blues, not blue. So that narrows your search. Before we continue with our search, let's add Chicago. And while we're at it, let's use truncation to help our search as well. Truncation is a method to expand your search by shortening terms to include all results made up of the truncated term. For instance, if we put an asterisk at the end of music, we'll get results about musicians as well. Finally, let's scroll down and select peer-reviewed and complete our search. As you can see, that's a lot less results. And the information about each article, you can see what subjects the article is about, including our search terms that are in bold. You can also see if the result has a full text option available. And if an article looks promising, you can click on this little folder icon to save it in order to go back to it later or export it to the Citation Management tool. Let's select this option. And this is your general article page. You can find helpful information like the author, subject terms, and the abstract on this page. This article offers HTML full text as well as a PDF full text option. And if you scroll down, you also have the option to listen to the article read out loud. If you'd like an auto-generated citation, this database offers the Cite option on the side menu. Just click it and scroll through to the format that you need. Generally, for history sources, APA and Chicago are most often used. Ask your professor if you're unsure which format to cite in. Additionally, while these auto-generated citations are very helpful, they might not be entirely accurate. Make sure to double-check your citations for any errors. And that's how you perform an advanced search on America History and Life. I hope everyone found this video helpful and will use some of the methods I shared in future research. Thank you.